So in this video, we're going to look at the Euclidean direction. The last video we looked at the Euclidean distance, so this we're going to look at the directions. More like basically when you're using the road and then you want to get a direction on the road, something like that, right? So we're going to do that shortly. So you will still the same place under the spatial analyst, the distance, and then you come to Euclidean direction. So you double click on it, and then we bring in our road layer. Now let's leave this here, and we're going to click on environment, and we're going to come down to processing extent. We select our study area. The raster analysis, we go down to max and we select study. So we'll click OK, and we won't be changing the output cells size, so we just click, and then we won't be changing this too, so we just click on OK. So it created an Euclidean direction such a way that it does not surpasses the study area. So if you look at here, let's say you are in this red zone and you have to take a north to find a road, then maybe it's from 0 to 22.5. If you are within this one, you take northeast to find the next road, and then it's between this and that. So like that till you are in this other red here. The red are 2. So basically the north. So you will see from there, that is how the Euclidean direction works. Yeah. So this is how to create an Euclidean direction in ArcMap. So I'll see you in the next video.